When we decided to go through the building process, we wanted to take as much control of it ourselves, and so a kit home fitted in with what we wanted to do and what we wanted to achieve. Really liked the design of their homes. The second thing was that when it came to this process, we had very little knowledge, so when we talked to Matt at Kit Homes, he really helped us to understand more about the process, and the communication with Kit Homes we found right from the beginning to be absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it's come out pretty much exactly as I expected, like from looking at the drawings. Yeah, we're really happy with how it's come out.
Yeah, absolutely. It's I think it's exceeded our expectations really. From the time that we stood frames to the time that we were able to move into the home, it took 3 months. We would highly recommend Kit Homes. Already have recommended Kit Homes to anyone we know.